Advantages of solar power. Renewable energy is getting cheaper. That's why it's not surprising that a lot of families are considering it. So if you're thinking of switching to a renewable source for your home, then keep watching. We're giving you the benefits of going solar. It is clean. With solar power, you rely less on coal, oil, and natural gases. These products emit harmful materials to the air, which is responsible for global warming. It is cheaper. You can reduce your electric bill by using solar panels. It doesn't only help you with your savings, it can also help with year-round efficiency. It increases your home value. Because solar panels can decrease your bills, your home will automatically get the attention of buyers. If you ever plan on selling your house in the future, this will be a good market focus. It is a secure investment. There is a clear upward trend when it comes to solar panels. Therefore, its worth can only go up from here. It is energy independent. We might not know when, but eventually, we will run out of oil, coal, and/or natural gas. That means they will all at one point get outrageously expensive. Having solar panels can give you that security when that happens. Perhaps it's time for you to think about going solar. If you look into it, there are definitely more benefits. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.